Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Do you want to know when is the best time to buy the 314 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery cell? Well, I'm going to tell you right now. It's today. We all know the 314 Ah cell is the best solution for most energy storage buyers. In terms of the capacity and the physical dimension, it is almost the perfect standard match for residential lithium iron phosphate battery system. Let's walk through the price trend from the 2025 to the early April 2026. 314 Ah battery cell price jumped nearly 30%. Yes, you guys can review back my previous video, this one. And by the end of the June 2026, price already as much as 50% compared to the lowest price back to the 2024. A lot of the customers are sitting on the fence. Some people expect 314 Ah battery cell will keep dropping, even falling to the $45 or even to the $35. I take that's not going to happen. In my opinion, the best buying window for the 314 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery cell is this month, right now. Let me break down my reasons. First, demand remains extremely high. We are in the AI era. AI large model data center plus massive energy storage projects worldwide are hungry for the lithium iron phosphate battery cell, for the lithium iron phosphate battery. Both China and the global market need this battery cell for energy storage system, so demand for the 314 Ah stay very robust. At the same time, cells manufacturers are shifting towards the higher capacity formats. We are seeing more and more big size cells like the 587 Ah, 628 Ah, 668 Ah, 700 Ah, or even the 1175 Ah or the 3000 Ah. Factories prioritize this ultra-large capacity cell to serve big-scale ESS projects. As a result, production allocations for 314 Ah is shrinking. High demand plus the tightening supply means prices are unlikely to slide much further. Second, upcoming the Chinese government policy changes will lift the overall export cost. Starting from the 2027, China will fully cancel the export VAT rebate for the lithium iron phosphate battery, lithium-ion batteries. That directly increase the export cost for every battery shipment. On the top of that, a new consumption tax for new energy products will take effect in this September 2026. This will raise factory gate price for the domestic China sales production combined. These policy headwinds create upward pressure on the 314 Ah lithium iron phosphate batteries pricing. Putting all these factors together, August is your best optimal buying time for the 314 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery cell. And today I'd like to introduce for you guys is the EVE brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery cell and the manufacture date at 2026. Yes, for genuine grade A quality, this is among the most competitive prices you can find on the market right now. And let's see the details of this battery cell. This is the G3. That means this bulk of battery cell is manufactured date at 2026 March. If you are interested in sourcing this cell, please get in touch with our sales team. Okay, thank you for you guys watching, and if you consider this content is helpful, hit like and subscribe.